Yeah.
I just got a text on my phone. I just lost my wallet earlier on the bus.
You were over on the bus?
On the bus. They picked it up.
Yeah.
I called the bus drivers and all that. They said they didn't see it.
Right.
I just got a text on my phone.
Within minutes, surveillance footage would identify the man at machine 82.
So I'm gonna go. It's a white male wearing like a pinkish shirt on.
Okay.
He's got his duffel bag, I think, is sitting right.
And he got the glasses on top of his head?
I don't know if he has a bag. I'm not looking at a live shot right now. He's got glasses. He got glasses on his head. Like khaki shorts.
Yeah.
And maybe black Converse. That's the guy who started the machine. I'm gonna go see him.
But when questioned, his story would change 4 times in 7 minutes.
I don't believe the crap that you're saying.
Person is subject to punishment phase.
On March 11th, 2023, Officer Prince of the Savannah Police Department in Georgia responded to a call at a self-service laundromat.
You call? Huh? Oh, you call?
Yes, I called.
Okay.
I don't know who is it.
Yeah.
I just got a text on my phone. I just lost my wallet earlier on the bus.
You were over on the bus?
On the bus. They picked it up.
Yeah.
I called the bus drivers and all that. They said they didn't see it.
Right.
I just got a text on my phone. Finch City today at 11. I ain't been there.
Oh, March 11th. Right.
The date.
Yeah.
In here. Just now.
Yeah. I see the date, man. What time exactly?
I don't know what time, but
okay, but today they came today.
They came today, and the guy told me to call you. The one that owned this, told me to call the officer when the officer get here. I don't know who is it, but my stuff is in there.
You believe so? Come on, man. Hey, man, how are you doing? Officer Prince from Savannah Police Department?
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine, man. How are you doing?
Doing all right. I guess you had a credit card stolen and refused?
Yeah, it was, his credit card and his wallet. It was on the bus, so he lost it on the bus.
Okay. All right, and the person used the washer 82.
Did the person use washer 82?
Using washer 82 right now.
Oh, you're looking at me?
Yeah, come down the side. You see this row here on your left? You're right, I'm sorry, you're right. That is the 8. That should be the 8, right? You see the numbers on the machines?
Yeah, 82. I don't see 82.
It'll be on the other side.
Okay.
Like, so I'm gonna,
Yeah.
That's 82.
Okay. Okay, I see it.
Okay, it's running right now?
Yeah. Excuse me? See if you can tell me who it is. I'm just walking back to my vehicle.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. He's still waiting. We're still waiting to see who.
Yes, I think this guy right here in the back.
Yeah.
Alright.
What kind of credit card it is?
It's a Charm card. It's South Florida. And then South Florida.
Start the machine.
Charm card? CHARM?
Mm-hmm.
Charm credit is a credit card?
No, it's a credit, it's a debit card.
Yeah, he's still trying to see who went in the washer.
Okay.
I saw him start the washer. So I'm gonna go. It's a white male wearing like a pinkish shirt on.
Okay.
He's got his duffel bag, I think, is sitting right.
And he got the glasses on top of his head?
I don't know if he has a bag. I'm not looking at a live shot right now. He's got glasses. He had glasses on his head. Like khaki shorts.
Yeah.
And maybe black Converse. That's the guy who started the machine. I'm gonna go see him. The credit card at 1724.
Started the washer at 1724?
I'm gonna see if he's the one who ran the credit card.
Yeah.
Yeah, he ran it.
And he okay. And he had the army duffel bag?
I guess it's like a It looked like it was blue to me.
A trolley? You pushing a trolley looking stuff?
I'm not on the live one. Let me go back to the live. Where is he? Is he over near the...
No, you walk to the back.
Oh, no, he's there now. He's right in front of the 82 machine.
Okay, got you. Okay.
Plastic bins.
Yeah.
He's walking out the sun.
Yeah. What's going on, man?
He did it out.
Hey, let me ask you a question, right? Yeah. What kind of card did you use and pay for the machine? We got somebody that lost their wallet in the bus, and the credit card was used and paid for 82 machine.
Yeah, cash. I mean, I paid with my card with cash.
It's a card you use.
Huh?
It's a credit card that you used. You by any chance, you might look at the credit card that you used and pay for machine 82?
Yeah, which one's machine 82? Okay, sure.
That's Washington. This one. Oh, did you pay for it? You use cash or card?
Yeah, with my Spin City card, I paid with cash. Several times.
Nah, the owner, I dealt with the owner, and the owner said it was used with a credit card, debit card / credit card.
Which the last time
Do you mind if I see the credit card that you used?
I didn't use a credit card.
What do you use?
Well, I didn't.
Huh?
The last person
I can
that
text you the video.
my friend did
Yes. If you look at it right now, yeah. Somebody, this is it, man. Someone lost their wallet on a bus. And the person that found the wallet, they removed the credit card from the wallet and used it in this machine.
Okay.
And you were seen using it, you know, I'm not making this up. You were seen using the credit card in this machine, 82.
Which my friend.
Now, be honest, man.
I'm trying to, but I don't want to switch on.
Okay, but you used it. You used it, not your friend.
So, well, that's.
Okay, the owner would like the card back.
Okay, it's in my bag. I think, and the wallet itself. The rest is like all that I have. Because I don't know what happened.
But you know it's someone's credit card.
He came up to me with it. No, honestly, I didn't even pay attention
But if
to
you
it.
found a credit card that's not yours, and you use it, and it's not yours, then you know it's a crime.
Well, he had. I mean,
But if a person found a credit card that's not theirs, he gave it to you.
I mean, my friend pulled up.
Yeah, but I mean, you know it's not your friend anymore.
But,
Come on, man. Let's talk to the inside, man.
no, I didn't even.
It doesn't matter. A credit card that's not yours, you don't use it. You know what I'm saying? He wants his wallet back, his credit card back, all that stuff, man.
Because I only got like,
Huh?
I only got like 2 pieces of it. Is what I'm saying. The rest of it.
That's, yeah.
You know what I'm
Just
saying?
be straight with me, man. I'm straight with you.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Is that the rest of it is with.
I don't know if there is a friend that exists, but I know for a fact that you used it right here. I know 100%. Were you on the bus earlier?
No.
I got no proof of that. No, I don't believe you. I can't prove it. Huh?
My account, like, I've been here like pretty much all day.
Yeah.
So I wasn't on the bus at all. But that's what I'm saying.
I can text you the video.
Yes, I would appreciate it. You can text it to this number.
My friend there.
Okay.
I said they just came up to me with it.
They who?
Across the street.
How much money you use on the card?
I think it was like $10.
$10?
Which I have, and I'll.
Is there $10 for this machine, man, sir?
He charged 20.
And you took 20 and you said 10. You see what I'm saying?
I think it was. I mean,
Check these out, man.
Listen.
Yeah, they called me.
You got ID in you?
No, I do not. I'm honestly. I swear I don't.
Where are you from?
Michigan originally, but I've been here for like since 2005. I mean, I can tell you exactly what happened.
What happened?
I saw that they found me across the street. One of them owed me money. I said I can't pay for my laundry. They told me that they found it behind Kroger, and then they came over and used it.
Yeah, I'm inside of Springfield. Yeah, but this is what I'm saying. How old are you?
But there's 36.
36. So someone gave you a personal credit cards that belongs to someone else.
That's right.
Right? You're 36.
I've had it happen. That's why.
36. You know it doesn't belong to you. And you come here and you use it for your own purpose. You know for a fact that it's not yours. And you use it for your own purpose.
I just really
Huh?
look at it.
Why would you do that? You see what I'm saying? Because if somebody gave me a purse with some random names, credit cards, debit cards, and all that stuff, I wouldn't use it because I know I know it doesn't belong to me and all that stuff. You know what I mean?
I 100% agree. Yeah. But I mean, kind of.
No.
It's not just. I mean, regardless.
I'm finna give it clock out. Is there anything I need to do for all these?
No, you're good, man.
I know I can't do nothing about the car, so that's what I was saying. It wasn't stolen in here or nothing, so I can't do nothing about it.
No, it's okay, man.
The only thing I can do is just, I can't even put it in my report because it wasn't.
Yeah, I'll take care of it for you, man. Yeah, he wasn't here, so.
It wasn't dead here. That's what I'm saying. It wasn't dead here. Okay, so when my boss asked me, I wasn't dead in there. There's nothing I can do about it. So all I can do is say this man here.
What if you got my missing, my man?
I'm missing my cash up card. No credit cards was in here. It was loaded.
Okay.
My black card. It was like gone. Everything.
And actually, they just threw the license and stuff. I picked it up, put it back in the wallet.
Where's the wallet he gave you?
Okay.
So this is not your wallet.
580.
This is wallet was given to you, and so a person that owes you money gives you a wallet, and to you that makes sense.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, you wouldn't try to return this to the person. Or, all right.
And he knows it doesn't
Stand by.
belong to him. I don't believe what you're saying.
Right, that's why I don't.
Yeah, it's hard.
He gave me 1,000
It's
stories.
hard to.
He gave me 1,000 stories. If I never had the owner telling me, he would not admit to crap.
Giving me the wallet is on camera. So I have Kroger on camera. So.
I can't find where that signifies how much of the theft is a misdemeanor and how much of it is
20 bucks.
20 bucks. So the original code section says to an amount to not exceed 100 and then the amount to exceed 100, but it doesn't state what.
Which one are you looking at? It
30, sir. Okay, 16,930. He's still going with the, it was given to me?
Yeah, by someone, yeah. Over by a Kroger. Yeah, I don't believe the crap that you're saying.
Person who subject to punishment phase shall be fined not more than, not less than, no more than 2 years. So it is a person subject under this subsection but guilty of felony shall be punished. So it's going to be a felony.
So the person is subject to punishment.
So this outlines your punishments, which is 16,938. This right here. So financial transaction card fraud, as provided in this section, is punishable by subsection B.
Right.
Okay. When with the intent to defraud the user, organization, good service, anything else of value, or any other person. Uses for the purpose of obtaining money, goods, or services, or anything else of value.
Money. All right, man. James, bring it back.
$10. That was the total charge to a stolen debit card at washing machine number 82. Under Georgia law, that single transaction is not a misdemeanor. It is a felony. Georgia Code, Section 16933, punishes any use of another person's card with intent to defraud, regardless of the amount involved. Penalties under Section 16938 run from 1 to 3 years in state prison, with fines up to $5,000. A parallel charge applies under Section 16931 for financial transaction card theft. That section criminalizes retaining a card known to be lost or mislaid, even before any use occurs. The moment the suspect kept the wallet knowing it was not his, that offense was already complete. The most significant legal issue in this footage, however, is not the underlying crime. It is the suspect's failure to invoke his Fifth Amendment rights. Under Bergwis v. Tompkins, decided in 2010, the right to remain silent is not automatic. It must be invoked unambiguously through words such as, "I am invoking my right to remain silent." Simply staying quiet, or in this case, speaking freely, does not trigger constitutional protection. The suspect provided 4 contradictory accounts within 7 minutes of contact. Each contradiction becomes independent evidence of consciousness of guilt at trial.
Either way, it's fine.
Face the vehicle, right?
Face the vehicle.
Oh, sorry.
Something you should have told us about earlier.
Oh, the knife?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Honestly, I was in shock a little bit. Okay. I definitely was not thinking about it. there anything I can do to help myself? Keep myself from going to jail?
You have to ask the primary officer there, okay? This hurting you, having this on?
No.
Okay. All right, go ahead and have a seat in. Just like that. Let yourself glide back. I do like your shoes. I'll say that.
Thank you.
You need more hair in the back?
What?
You need more hair?
It's so cold.
Huh?
It's so cold.
You say, how you feel right now? Huh? How you feel right now, man?
There goes in my chest. I
Huh?
had several heart attacks. I don't know what they feel like. I'm
Feeling-
missing my check.
Chest feels tight?
I can't talk to you right now.
Miranda warnings were not required during the initial questioning under Berkemer versus McCarty. That 1984 decision limits Miranda to custodial interrogation, not investigative Terry stops. The officer's approach was authorized under Terry versus Ohio from 1968. The transition to formal arrest required probable cause, defined in Beck versus Ohio, 1964. Surveillance video, the recovered wallet, and the partial admission collectively satisfied that standard. For the officer, this analysis yields a grade of A-. The investigation reflected textbook methodology, objective evidence first, controlled interviewing second. The single weakness was a delayed weapons frisk that failed to detect a concealed knife until after handcuffing. The suspect receives a grade of F, and the reasoning extends far beyond the crime itself. By speaking continuously without counsel, he supplied prosecutors with the mental element that video alone could not prove.
Chest is getting, said his chest is getting tight, he can't breathe. Want me to pull this?
I don't care. It doesn't matter what you do. I'm having a heart attack. Sorry, I didn't mean to cuss at you.
No, you're good, man. You want me to, I'm gonna take you to,
Can you drive me to the hospital?
I'm gonna take you there and clear you, okay? Okay. 46 dispatch. You can show me how to Memorial, man. Transporting my 10 out of 5. Starting mileage is 58326. Hey, come on, man. Hey. Let's go inside. Let's see the doctor. Come on.
Can't walk.
Come on, man.
I need a wheelchair.
Come on, stop playing games,
I'm
man.
not playing games.
You're at Memorial, man. Come on.
I can't walk.
Oh, you know you're gonna want one.
Huh?
Oh, you know you're gonna need one.
Just upset. Seems like you're really weak. Sit in this wheelchair. So, there you go. You gotta lift your feet up.
3 practical lessons emerge from this case for any American citizen. First, using another person's payment card at any amount is a felony in most American jurisdictions. Second, the right to silence must be invoked with words. Physical, quiet, without clear invocation preserves nothing. Third, undisclosed weapons discovered during arrest compound charges and endanger everyone present. Above all, the phrase, "I want a lawyer," remains the single most reliable protection against self-incrimination. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.